What's going on, guys? It's Dime, and today we're going to be restoring this old made in Brazil Tramontina machete. Gonna be fixing it up for a friend of mine. Gonna be sanding this down because there's a bit of a gap right here. Overlap. Not real great to feel that in the hand. Almost feels like it's gonna pinch you. For all this rust, we're just going to be using some WD-40 and some 150 grit sandpaper to start. I'll probably end up stepping it up a little bit more. It is a machete, so I'm not too worried about the finish, but we'll see. See how this is coming along so far. This isn't very much sanding to get it this far. That's already looking a lot better. I'm going to be leaving some of that patina on there. Just that little black spots and stuff. I'm not going to get it back to perfectly shiny, but we'll get all this off the end of it. The end or the edge has chips in it all along it, so we'll be refiling that and then going over it with a Lansky pocket stone. Yeah, let's keep going. Alright, there's one side of the blade pretty well done. At least got all that surface rust off there. There's patina, black spots, and the edge will get taken care of when we're filing and sharpening it. Now I gotta get to this other side. That's a before and after right there. Pretty good. Alright, let's get to this other side and then we'll start working on this handle. Alright guys, got all that rust pretty much off of it using 150. Pretty happy with that. Probably step it up a little bit, maybe go up to like 400 to hit it real quick. And then I'm going to start working on this handle, getting that fitment a little bit better, sanding the back down, shaping it a little bit more, because there's that hard lip on both sides where the handle sticks up above the tang of the blade. So let's get to that. Alright, that's pretty good. That's with 150. We end up hitting both the handle and the blade with this 400. And then we'll see where it is from there. I might burnish this. I might not. Haven't decided yet. And then we'll work on getting a good edge on this, getting all these chips out. Alright, you guys, I got everything sanded down to 400. Handle feels good. I could leave it like this. I'm still deciding. I think I am going to burnish it just because I like the look of it and it'll help hold up. Harden this wood a little bit so it holds up a little better. And then we'll soak it with oil and get to sharpening that edge. Alright, now I'm going to sand that again with 400. And then we're going to oil it, let it soak in that oil. That looks pretty damn good, I think. Pretty happy with that. That looks pretty good. I'm liking that. Feels good, looks good. It's nice in the hand, feels really good. Now it's just time to get this edge taken care of. Let's get to that. Alright, got this clamped down over the edge of my little table here. I'm using a mill bastard file to get this edge started where it's roughed out from these chips in it. And then we'll move up to this Lansky puck. Have it over here soaking in water. Let's get to it. Alright, I got most of the chips out. There's a big one that's right there. You can still see it a tiny bit. It's not bad. Then up here towards the end, there's a little bit. It wasn't sharpened all the way to the end. I think this is done on purpose because the main cutting edge is, you know, from probably the middle third really for a machete. So that's nice and sharp, ready to move on to the stone from the file. I'm going to leave that so it's less likely to break off if you hit it into the rocks or in the ground or something. Got it pretty sharp already. We'll move on to this Lansky pocket stone and see how good we can get this thing. I'm just going to go in circles, small circles. Alright, y'all. I got this thing pretty dang sharp. I'm happy with it. It's a machete, so it's gonna get dinged up again pretty quick, but I got a nice little edge on it all the way up. Decent little edge on it. But yeah, there's our complete build, guys. Brazilian made machete. Yeah, there it is, ready to go. Feels good in the hand. Got that smoothed out, no more pinching on it. It's solid. Got everything filed down and sharpened up with the stone. All that rust is off of there. Everything's coated in oil. It's ready to go. If y'all enjoyed this restoration, please drop a like on the video. Comment down below, tell me what you think, how I can improve my content in the future, and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. Thank you very much for watching.